Thank you so much for signing up for our ABCs to Become Bully Proof program. I'm Master Rich Grogan, and I'm so grateful you're here. So a little bit about the program. The reason I put it together was I've been in martial arts 40 plus years. I was a PE teacher for 11 years. I've been a coach for 35 years. So I've been surrounded with kids my whole life. I grew up being bullied. I know how painful it is. I know that I had thoughts in my head about not only giving up the sport I loved, which was ice hockey, but giving up on life as well. I know how painful it is to have that fear, that self-doubt, that lack of confidence, all trapped inside, and then fearful of every bully that was out there. What I've learned is all the bullies that I dealt with in grade school, middle school, high school, at work, online, all those bullies are nothing compared to the bully in here. The meanest bully we'll ever face is our bully right here in our mind. The one that reminds us of all our failures and setbacks, reminds us of something negative or harmful or hurtful that someone said to us a long time ago or maybe just last week. That's what the bully in the mind does. So the ABCs to Become Bully Proof program works from the inside out, works by defeating the bully within, developing that self-confidence, that belief in yourself, that self-worth. So when you silence this bully, when you conquer this bully in your mind, the bullies out there aren't going to matter because you're going to have that belief in yourself. So the ABCs, the A stands for awareness. Awareness of your surroundings, awareness because there are dangerous people out there and there are bullies out there, awareness of where they're at, and then do whatever you can to avoid those dangerous situations. Now, I'm not saying you ever run from your fears, but what I am saying is if you know a bully, if you're in school, is down this hallway or sits at this lunch table, avoid them. If you know a bully is in these groups online, avoid them. That's the smartest, simplest way. Another thing we got to avoid is all the negativity that goes on in our mind. That bully chirping at us, reminding us of our fears, our setbacks, and our failures. So how do we conquer that bully? Well, we're aware of what we're thinking about. We're aware of what we're reading. We're aware of what we're allowing into our mental garden. Think about this for a second. If you've ever planted a garden and you want luscious strawberries, you got to plant strawberry seeds. If you plant onion seeds, you're getting onions. Same thing with our mind. If we want positivity, we got to plant positive thoughts. We plant negative thoughts all day long, we're not going to believe in ourselves. That's the A, awareness and avoidance of anything that could be harmful or hurtful. The B is believing in yourself by strengthening and putting on your bully-proof armor. And what is your bully-proof armor? It's a protective shield to keep all the negative influences out. Our two most vulnerable areas are our heart and our mind, the two areas that the bullies attack the most. And how do we strengthen our bully-proof armor? Affirmations, baby. Saying positive things to reinforce who you are. I believe in me. I am a gift from God. I am smart. I am awesome. I am a champion. And playing those over and over and over again. And then actually taking action and doing something that maybe scared you in the past. Maybe it's trying out for a sports team. Maybe it's asking that girl out. Maybe it's applying for a new job. Do those things. That's going to help strengthen your bully-proof armor. And then you might say, what if I get rejected? What if I fail? It happens. Pick yourself back up and go at it again with another approach. Because each time you get knocked down, not a matter of if, but when you get knocked down, you got one or two choices. Lay there, cry about it, let that bully in your mind win, or get back up, have that resolve, let that inner warrior out to be the champion you were born to be. So B, believe in yourself. C, communicate clearly and confidently with your posture, with your tiger's eyes, with your lion's voice, with the way you carry yourself. Yeah, if you carry yourself, if your posture is in a weak, defeated posture, man, you're an easy target. You look like a victim, you're going to be a victim. However, you carry yourself with confidence. You carry yourself with your head high, your shoulders back, your tiger's eyes, and then your lion's voice. That means when you communicate, when you talk, you don't talk like a victim. You don't talk like nobody likes me. No, get that out of there. You're going to communicate courageously with your voice. If a bully approaches you as being rude, mean, disrespectful, says something that's hurtful, you're going to use your voice and say, enough, and I mean it. That's communicating clearly and confidently. Then we have a D. The D is, and it's an absolute last resort, if you are physically attacked, then D is you physically defend yourself. Part of this program, there's links to videos on how to do defensive motions that I've taught for 35 years in our Martial Arts Academy. You can simply click on those links. They'll take you right to our YouTube channel showing you those defensive motions. Now, once again, that D is an absolute last resort. I want you to focus on the A, the B, the C first, and it's all written up here in your program. You can go through each step one at a time. I just wanted to film a quick video to introduce myself, to thank you and welcome you to the program, and let you know that together we can bring out that inner warrior. We can strengthen that bulletproof armor. We can learn how to communicate clearly and confidently. We can learn to be aware and avoid all the negative influences out there to be the champion you were born to be. And it all starts with the ABCs to become bulletproof. You've done your job. You've purchased this program. Now take that next step and go through and fill the program out each and every step and repeat it as often as you need to. Thank you so very much. I'm so blessed and so very honored that we're going on this journey together. God bless.